ActiveCampaign Refer a Friend. We're going to use ActiveCampaign as a Refer a Friend program. We're going to collect friends' information on a web form, and then we're going to have an automation send an email to that person that referred with a link so that they can send an email to a friend. We're not using ActiveCampaign to send an email to the friend. We don't have permission to do so. So for this to work, we're going to need some custom fields. We'll need a form, we'll need a list, and we'll need an automation. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So inside ActiveCampaign, we want to create a form. I've got one called friend. And in there, you want to collect the email address of the contact, the referrer. And then you want to add custom fields that will collect the friend's name and friend's email. And then in this case, I think I turned off opt-in confirmation, just don't want to wait. And then I'm only going to show them a thank you message. Thank you for signing up. Please check your email. Nothing fancy. I definitely want to know what this link is, so I want to keep that handy. And then I need to create an automation. This automation I called friend, and it's triggered whenever a contact submits the form called friend. I've got it set up to run multiple times in case somebody wants to submit multiple recommendations. And first thing we do is we make a check. Does the custom field friend email, is it greater than empty? In other words, is it not empty? If it isn't empty, go ahead and send them an email. Otherwise, skip over and in the automation. So inside the email, nothing fancy here. The biggie is this link, and I'm going to show you how to build this link. So this link gets a little convoluted, but here it is. There's some pieces we have to fill out. We have to include who we're emailing to, which is the contact, the person that referred. We need to have a subject and we need to have a body. So going up here as an example, if we want to have this message, recommendation for whatever the friend's name is, and the body is sign up here to get what you want, there's the sign up form. So whatever's in brackets needs to be replaced with the ActiveCampaign merge code, the personalization. And anything that's in bold needs to be URL encoded, and we can go to this website to do that. So for instance, the friend's email address, let's go find that. So the friend's email address, here's the personalization tag that we need. So I want to copy that, and I need to place it right there. And then the friend's name, I'm not going to do quite yet because I want to do the URL encoding first. So I'm going to copy this, and here's the important part. Copy the white space that follows the word for and it's before the friend's name. I want to go to this site, go ahead and paste that in. And again, there's a white space after the word for. Click on encode. Now copy that. It's got %20s in there. So back to here, and I'm going to put that right there. Now I want to find the friend's name in ActiveCampaign. There's the friend name. Paste that right here. And I don't want that extra white space. Now I want to take all of this and URL encode it. So I paste it in there, click on encode, and copy that. Go ahead and paste it right there. And now we want to get rid of the, I guess, the whites or the line break. So just before the ampersand body equals, I'm going to delete that so it appends to the previous line. And just before the question mark subject, I'm going to delete that so it pulls it up to there. So now we have a link that we're going to paste into the email. So I'm going to copy this whole thing right here. Go back to ActiveCampaign, and this automation right here, I want to create a link, and I've already done it, but I'm going to delete it. Notice this is email. There's two options. One is URL, one is email. We definitely want email. I want to paste that in. I'm going to go ahead and click save, or click OK, save and exit. Now I'm going to sign up. Okay, so I'm going to put my email address in. I'm going to put my friend's name and my friend's email address. Now before I go check my email, I'm going to go inside ActiveCampaign to see if I was added and if I put into the appropriate automation. All right, here I am. I've got my friend's name, my friend's email. It looks like I've been through the friend automation just now. So I submitted the form, it checked, is the friend email greater than empty? And yes it is, so an email was sent. Now if I go read that email, here's what I see. So I get this, and then if I click on this, this should open up a new email client so that I can send an email to that person automatically. So there it is, my email address, recommendation for Dave, I've personalized that, and then here is the message which includes the link. So now I can go check my friend's email address, which of course is me, and make sure it works. And there's the email. So that came from the contact and it was sent to the friend, and now they have the link to go sign up if they want. So that's how you use ActiveCampaign to refer a friend.